Good afternoon, student of class 10. We are starting a new chapter today, that is linear inequation. We already have done the math of linear equation. So what is the difference between linear equation and linear inequation? You have to know. Linear equation means the left hand side and the right hand side is equal. That means LHS equal to RHS. That is linear equation. But in linear inequation, LHS may be greater than equal to RHS, LHS may be less than of RHS, LHS may be greater than equal to RHS, LHS may be less than equal to RHS. You have to know this sign. This is greater than, this is less than, this is greater than equal to, this is less than equal to. That means, like if there is an equation given x plus 3 is greater than equal to 5, this is linear inequation. If it is x plus 3 equal to 5, then that is linear equation. That is the difference between linear inequation and linear equation. You have to solve in the same way how you solve the math of linear equation. Like x plus 3 greater than 5, that is x greater than 5 minus 3. Procedure is same, but there is some exceptional is there. If you change the sign, you have to exchange the greater than less than. I am explaining this with example, like minus x greater than 5. Now if you change the sign, now x greater than minus 5, that is not okay, that is wrong, that is false. If you are changing the sign, then you have to opposite that sign also. That means that will be x less than minus 5. That you have to remember. If you are changing the sign, you have to, like 2x less than minus 7, that is given. That is also in the book. You can check it out from the book. You can't write 2x by minus 4 equal to minus 7 by minus 4. You have opposite the sign. Here minus cut, so that will be converted to plus. So that sign also have to be required to change. If you are changing the sign, if you have to change that sign also. That is the things. Otherwise you have to solve the math how you have solved the math in linear equation. And there is some sign you have to identify, like W means whole number, R for real number, I for integer, sometimes that is also denoted by Z. These things you have to know. N for natural number, okay. Now we are going to solve the exercise. That is the basic things you have to know about linear inequation. Otherwise, if you understand these things, the maths are easy. Let's check the exercise from the book. You can see that you have to say the true or false. X less than minus y. So minus x greater than y. Is it true or false? Yes, because it is true. Why? They have changed the sign. As a result, they have changed that also. That was less than, that they makes them greater than. So that is true. In the next line, 5x minus 5x greater than 15. So if you divide that 5 with minus x greater than 3, but they have done x greater than equal to minus 3. If they are changing the sign, you have to change that sign also, but they have not changed that sign. That means that is false. Similarly, that is also false. 7 greater than 5, 1 by 7 less than 1 by 5. Yes, that is true. If you are finding the reciprocating of the number, that means you have to change that sign. State whether the following statement are true or false. Next, you have to again check Yes, that is true. If you minus in both sides, that statement is true. That is also true. But that is wrong. If you are multiplying the both sides, the sign will not change, but they have changed the sign, so that is false. They again change the sign, but that sign will not be changed, so that is also false. In this way you have to understand this. From 3 you have to solve some math. X belongs to natural number, that means x is a natural number. Okay, I am going to solve that. What is math there? 5x plus 3 less than equal to 2x plus 18. So math number 3, what is given there? From exercise 4a, 3a is given 5x plus 3 less than 2x plus 18. Solve. You have solved that math in the linear equation, you have to solve in the same way. So that I got 3x less than 15. So I got x less than 15 by 3. So x less than 5. X less than equal to 5 I got, and it is already said x belongs to natural number. Natural number means which are natural number? 1, 2, 3, 4. But value of the x is less than 5 or equal to 5. So what may be the set? The set may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As it is less than equal to 5. If only less than is there, 5 will not be included there. Only 4. Try to understand that. As this is less than or maybe equal, this sign means less than or maybe equal. That's why I have the set come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is not natural number, that is whole number, what may be the result? The result will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because we know that whole number started from 5. You have to understand that things. But it is said that belongs to natural number, the set will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 4, same maths, but it is said that belongs to whole number. What is given there? 7 minus 3x greater than equal to minus half. Okay, I can check minus 3x, then 7 is plus there, then that will be minus on that side. I already said that if you want to change the sign, now here you have to change the sign because you have to remove the minus. So you have to divide that side also with minus 3. So hence these sign have to be changed. That becomes less than equal to. So here x less than equal to minus minus cut, 3 5s are 10. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means that is 2.5. And it is said that belongs to whole number. So what will be the set? The set will be 0, 1, 2. I think the maths are very easy and clear to you. Okay, number 5 I am going to solve. Math number 5. It is given 3 minus 2x greater than equal to x minus 12. X belongs to natural number. Find the set. Solve in the same way. Minus 2x minus x greater than minus 12 minus 3. So that become minus 3x minus 15. Again you have to change the sign, so that sign will be changed. So that is minus 15 by minus 3. So x less than equal to 5 I got. So what set I got? X 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As x belongs to natural number. Okay, I am going to solve the math number 10. 12 plus 1 complete 5 by 6 x less than equal to 5 plus 3x. Here x belongs to real number, so that become 12 11x by 6 less than equal to 5 plus 3x. So 11x by 6 minus 3x less than equal to 5 minus 12. So that becomes 11x minus 18 by 6 less than equal to minus 7. So I got minus 7x by 6 less than equal to minus 7. Again I have to change the sign because in both sides. So that become minus 7 into 6 by minus 7. So x greater than equal to 6, and it is said x belongs to R. So what may be the set? That will start from 6, 7, 8 dot dot dot. In this way you have to solve the math. If you have any question, any query about whatever I solved today and whatever I explained today, you can ask me the question.